Welcome to day 10 of our design challenge. I'm going to walk you through the design process behind this masterpiece. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end so that you can understand how this beautiful, amazing, stunning flyer was created. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, I'm going to be teaching you all how you can create this beautiful flyer. So we are going to be creating this today, and I want you to pay attention to all we are going to do now. Okay, the first thing we need to do is for us to change the dimension of our workspace. Click on this icon, go to image size, change the width to 119. Beautiful. This is the dimension of our workspace. Make sure you lock this as well. So guys, we're going to be using the original one to get the proper placement of the grid line and the text. Hope you understand what I just said now. Don't worry, let me show you practically. You could see that the text was properly aligned together with the images. So we'll be using the original one to arrange our grid lines properly. Okay, this is okay. Let's also add more lines. Okay, let's add this here. Add another line. You can see what I'm doing. I think this is okay for now. Go back, lock it, then close it. That reminds me, make sure you change the color of your background to white. So let's quickly change the color of our background to white. Beautiful. Okay, now let's bring in the text big. Go to text, go to edit. Okay, and go to size, increase the size, place it here. We'll be using a peculiar font. This is the name of the font, Hagrid. Yes. The other day in our community, someone tagged me and the person pleaded with me, telling me that I should try and upload the font I've been using to recreate some of the designs we've created in this design challenge. I want to let you all know that for this particular font, this one you are seeing right here, is in the resources. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end and you're going to gain access to this particular font. The password to the design resources will pop up at interval in this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Now place it here. So guys, take your time and place the lines the way I placed mine. Place them at the right place. So for this particular one, let's give it a black color. Hope you are still with me. I trust you guys. Now copy it, go to edit. We'll be writing Desi. Yes. Then go to size, decrease the size, decrease it. Okay, then take it up, place it on this line. Now this particular design is part of the design resources, so you can use it as a guide when you are placing the grid line. Hope you understand. So we take it to the end. Let's see. Okay, this is not bad, this is okay. Now I'll be writing the word yes. As you can see, I'm done writing. So go to font, go to recent. This is the font to be using. Don't worry, you will find it in the design resources. You will find it in the file. Don't worry. Now go to color. This is the color we'll be using. Yes. So stretch it. Don't make it too big. Then place it here. Okay. Let's adjust it a little. Now the next thing we need to write is premium, quality and affordable luxury. Guys, as you can see, I'm done writing it. Now let's go to font. You guys know the font I'm going to use now. Okay, let's use Metropolis Medium. Yes. This Metropolis Medium is a shade of Montserrat. They are both the same. But because of authority, I will not be using Montserrat. So let's use this particular one. Don't mind me. The person I'm talking about is watching this video right about now. Go to color, give it a dark color. Beautiful. Now let's import the image of the guy you saw in the design. This is the person I'm talking about. So bring the picture down, go to relative size, increase it, take it up, reduce it a little, go to position, bring it down a little. This is okay. This is okay. Then highlight this premium quality, go to size, reduce it. Hope you can see what you've done. Yes. Now for this particular image, copy it, delete this other one, then move this other one here. Okay. Now let's lock it. There's something I want us to import. Yes, this is what I want us to import. Okay, then turn it, go to relative size, reduce it. Okay, then go to position, move it. Okay, this is okay. And take it up, take it up, take it up, take it up. Okay, then go to relative size again, increase it, increase it. Okay, this is okay. Move it down. Okay, go to opacity, reduce the opacity, reduce it to 30. Okay, still go back to that image, bring it down. Okay, let's see. Okay, click on it again, then go back to opacity, reduce it. Okay, this is okay. Now let's import something else. This is the image. Okay, duplicate it. This other one, turn it. Okay, then move it to the instrument, reduce it. Go to relative size, reduce it. Okay, and turn it a little. Place it here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Go to position, bring it down. Okay, go to rotate, rotate it this way. Okay, then go to position. Okay, still go to relative size, let's increase it a little. Okay, and go back to position, move it, move it. Okay, this is okay, this is perfect. And for this other one, reduce it. Beautiful. Take it to the back. Yes, and move it this way. Go to relative size, increase it a little, then rotate it this way. You can see what we are doing. Okay, okay, this is okay. Beautiful. Let's lock each of them to avoid unnecessary movement. Now it is time for us to clip mask those images you saw inside each of the shape. Go to shapes, increase your radius to 15, drag it down. Okay, increase it this way, bring it down, reduce it, bring it down, click on your good icon. Now let's go and import the first image. This is the first image, so what do we need to do? Just click on this square size, 1:1. Bring it here, reduce it, take it down, and click on your good icon. Hope you can see what we've done. Go back to texture, scale it. This is okay. This is wonderful. Now take it up, reduce it a little. Yes. Copy it, delete this other one, then bring it down. Yes. Hope you can see what we've done. Click on it again, copy it, place it here. Make sure they are close. So guys, the next thing we need to do is for us to import the next image into this second box. So go back to texture. This is the second image. Hope you can see what we've done. We've textured that image into the box. So guys, click on the second one, click on copy, bring it down, place it here, follow me carefully, then move it, make sure it's touching the line. Beautiful. Then go to texture. Let's texture the next image into the box. Guys, this is the image. Go back to texture and go to scale it. Yes, this is beautiful. And click on this other one, copy it, bring it down, place it here. Now let's move it. Okay, bring it down, make sure they're on the same line. Okay, this is okay. Please, while doing your own, take your time to do it. Take your time to do it, please. It's very important, very important. Okay, now there's something we need to write that is close to this WS. Go to text, go to edit, then clear this other one, just write XXX. Beautiful. Bring it down, go to size, reduce the size, then bring it down. Okay, and you take it to this side. So guys, I'm done arranging it. Hope you can see what I've done. Now let's import the next image. This is the image I'm talking about. Now this is what I want you to do. Take this particular image behind, take it to back. Yes. So guys, that particular image, this one I just highlighted, take it down, bring it down. Yes, just place it here. That's good. Now copy it, then bring it to the front. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Bring it to the front and place it here. Just leave it here for now. Then this particular shape, let's texture the right image into that shape. Guys, this is the image. Yes, this is the right image. Now the next thing we need to write is we deal on blah blah blah, then the social media handles. I mean those write-ups. So I'm going to pause the video so I can rush everything. So guys, I had to pause the video so I could rush and put down those write-ups. Now I'll be using a peculiar font for this IG at BDWS. Just go to font. This is the font to be using, Hansen Bold. You will find it in the design resources. It's there. Then go to color. We'll be using this gradient color. I hope you guys know how to form a gradient. It's quite simple. Just pick two colors and that is it. I believe you guys know how to do this. Okay, then go to size, increase it a little. This is okay. This is perfect. So finally, the next thing we need to do is for us to bring in that shape. The shape you saw beneath the design. This is the shape I'm talking about. Place it here. Beautiful. Then go to color, enable it to be using gradient, this particular gradient. And that is it. We are done with the design. So please take your time and create yours. Just take your time and create it before you submit it. Don't be in a hurry. Now there's something else we need to do. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Just place it there, then go to opacity. Now reduce the opacity a little. Okay, this is okay. So guys, we are done. Quickly save it so that we can go and edit it. So guys, we'll be editing it in PixelLab. Yes, so go to the plus icon. This is the design. Now let's bring in those lens flare one after the other. Go to add photo. So this is the lens flare. Let me add it. Beautiful. Now go to blend, change it to screen. Hope you can see what I've done. Then increase it, place it here, increase it a little. Okay, this is okay. Increase it a little again. Then click on this, duplicate it, place one here. Yes, duplicate it again and place one here. But this time around I'm going to reduce the opacity of this one and reduce the opacity. Okay, this is okay. Now let's go to effect. We're using HD arrow. Reduce the fade, increase saturation, leave it at 8. Beautiful. Now go to tools, go to adjust. Now increase the level of brightness a little. Okay, 7 is enough. 8 is okay. Go to contrast. 9 is okay. Then go to clarity. 4 is okay. I think that's all for now, guys. We are done with the design. Do well to save it. Okay, so if you know you got value from this video, do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified when I upload tomorrow's design, which happens to be day 11. Before I end this tutorial video, I would like to celebrate some set of people. I want to say a big shout out to Authority, to Emmanuel, to Elijah Nice, to Sunday, to Vicky Beauty, to Prophetic Architect, to Henry Mas, Prince Zuko, BU Media. Thank you so much. I love you guys to the moon and back, and other persons too. These are the people that have been replicating the design ever since we began, and I want to appreciate you all. You guys are wonderful. Thank you for your comments. I've been seeing your comments. I know that you never saw this comment, but I decided to do it. Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much for all you do. I really appreciate you guys. See you tomorrow.